This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block your location in the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. Some websites you go to, you'll receive requests that the website wants to know your location. To turn that on or off in the Google Chrome web browser, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner to where you see the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down toward the bottom and click on Settings. Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Privacy and Security. And in the center pane here, toward the very bottom, you want to click on Site Settings. Site Settings. Then you will scroll down to the Permissions area, and right here is Location. You want to click on Location, and you could toggle on or off your location right in here. If you toggle on the top one, sites can ask for your location. If you toggle on the bottom one, don't allow websites to see your location. That is how to toggle on or off your location in the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.